My kids are in bed.
Yes, they are. That's the moment of peace.
Wait. Shh, don't say anything. I never knew that I would enjoy listening to my clock ticking on the wall. When I can hear my clock ticking on the wall, that's like peace to me. After school we go, strolling through our beautiful city of Nice, shutting our stuff on this beautiful Tuesday morning. You want Stella? Stella is in your bag. Wait, let me give you Stella. Stand up. You're going to school some morning to Faves. You're going to school. Don't take it off. Mama just taking out Stella. No! You guys know Stella have to make it to school. Come September, she going to get to choose one doodoo to carry. So it's either Stella or baby. I think she's gonna have to carry baby because when she goes to nap, that's the one she asks for the most. So we're gonna have to make a conscious decision between Stella or baby. Who's gonna make the cut to school? Anyway, you guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new beautiful day here in Nice, as you guys can see, and I'm a little bit earlier than usual this morning with my school drop-off for Sarah because it's Tuesday morning, and on a Tuesday, oh, lighting come through. On a Tuesday, Papa normally drop Tyler at school, so I don't have to drop him. Look at all these breakfast spots. That's the thing I like to see in the morning when I'm strolling through the city. It's just everybody hanging out, having breakfast at the various breakfast spots. Yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. Going to drop little Miss to school walk. Boom! Let's go! Come on! Let's go to school with your cute self. Come on! You see the tram? Tram! Going through the middle of the city is a tram. Come on, let's go. So you guys didn't get to see Tyler and Papa this morning because I ran out of the house before Tyler was ready for school. So you guys will definitely see them when I get back home. But for right now, enjoy the city while I stay here for a bit before I head back home. So have a good day. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Subscribe if you're new to the family, and give this video a thumbs up, of course, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. As you guys can see, no more sweater is needed. You'll definitely see people in theirs, but I like the coolness. It feels like I'm in Mandeville right now. And there goes the tick. One tick means that is 8:30. Sarah's school starts at 8:30, but you can carry her 1 hour after the start time. I'm not normally this early, but like I said, it's Tuesday morning, so we're right in time, shawty. And the bell came from this beautiful church right here. The architectures in France, nothing can beat that. Masterpiece. And she's off. Go, 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 go. Come on, let's go. No jumping, let's go. Run! Run! You're too cute. So I am strolling through center town right now of a beautiful Place Messina. If you've never been to Nice, this is what Place Messina looks like. All the buildings in this area looks the exact same. That's a full turn, and there you go. During summertime, this place is full. Full. It's nice living in this city. It just feels like you're on a vacation every single time that you're here. Trust me. It literally feels like you're on vacation all day, every day. From school and at the park. Can you believe that the park is full? I hate coming to the park at this time, but I try to let Taylor have a little playtime and try to let Sarah see a more intense crowd with kids and see how she reacts. And Sarah been loving it. She's running around, she's making new friends, she's playing with others. She's just here having a good old time, not even paying me any mind. Let me see if I can find her. Look at her. You having fun? You having fun? Come here. We soon go, okay? Soon go home. I don't even know where Tyler is, but he's somewhere around here playing with his friends. I need to find him. What's wrong? Huh? By doing what? What were you doing?
To try and trick one of my friends. After when I wanted to get back out, you hurt.
So why you go under the table?
Because I wanted to hide. I thought it would be.
Okay, we are leaving in 5 minutes, okay? Gone again. Hey you! Go on the slide one more time because we're gonna go. Go on the slide. Go up. Yay! You're gonna slide down? Come. Come. Slide. Yay! Come on, let's go. Let's go sit in the stroller. Back home and making dinner for the family. And it took me a while to figure out what for dinner, but baby helped me to decide. So dinner today It's quick and easy. Cabbage and corned beef and rice.
Hey.
Look who is working out. Well, what do we have here? Olympic 2024 training. My kids are in bed.
Yes, they are. That's the moment of peace.
Wait, shh, don't say anything. I never knew that I would enjoy listening to my clock ticking on the wall. When I can hear my clock ticking on the wall, that's like peace to me, because my kids are in bed. You know what I need right now? I would take a glass of wine.
I get a glass of water.
Bad influence smell. I didn't say I wanted it. I didn't say I wanted it. I said I would take a glass of wine.
Whatever you want for you, not for me. I want something fresh. If it was a cocktail, fresh, juicy. Yes.
If it was a virgin color, then you would take it.
Not virgin color, I need to be virgin with something red,
tropical.
Right, juicy.
Anyway, you guys, coming on to end this vlog, what do you have to say yourself? I know you guys hear that.
You're wondering which one it is.
I don't have to wonder, I know.
It sounds like Tyler, but in the same time, he said Tyler can't do that.
That doesn't sound like Tyler. I know exactly who that is. Listen.
Well, it can't be Tyler, otherwise I just say this boy is crazy.
Sarah have her own party in her bed at night when we put her down. Before she fall asleep. She give you like 10-15 minutes of her singing, counting.
It's like in the morning. Sometimes you just go in the back, walking out. I wake up and I'm just here and I hear Tyler. It's like 6 a.m. She don't call us, but you can hear her talking to herself. She like 30 minutes. She wake up for 30 minutes before to call. She talking to herself. When she tired, she starting to call. Mama or Papa.
She having her own conversation. Say, okay, today when I wake up, I'm gonna give my parents hell. Let's see, what am I gonna do today? Oh my God, that girl.
That's one thing. When Tyler was a baby, it was hard for us because she don't used to call us.
Tyler, you keep saying Tyler.
No,
Sarah.
Sarah.
No, you said Tyler.
it was hard for us.
No, you see, when Tyler was a baby, it was hard for us. I'll go back and replay for the face for them to hear.
We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Tyler was the baby. Tyler was the baby. Tyler was the baby.
When Sarah was a baby.
Okay, when Sarah was a baby, because she could have stayed like an hour in her bed.
When she had the pacifier.
Not talking.
And she wake up, she'd say nothing, or she would cry. Tyler, on the other hand, when he was a baby, the minute he wake up, you hear, Mama! Sarah, she rarely will call, but in the beginning, she used to just cry. She never used to call because Tyler been a talker from the beginning. Sarah, not so much. They're so different. You guys hear me getting stuffy and stuffy, and the more I talk to you, the more I get stuffy. This allergy. Anyway, this is how we wrap the vlog as usual. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It wasn't much, but we give it what we got. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the family. Catch up and keep up, and I'm gonna take my allergy self to go relax. See you guys tomorrow.